Let's solve this equation together. It says 4 raised to power x is equal to 48. Okay, so how do we solve this? Now, first things first is you're going to rewrite this. Okay, so I'll show you something now. Now, 4 raised to power x can be rewritten as 4. For example, now can be rewritten as 2 raised to power 2. Okay, now we can replace this 4 here with 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power 2 or raised to power x to be equal to 48. Now, from the law of indices, if you have a raised to power m or raised to power n, it becomes equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n. Hence, 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x becomes equal to 2 raised to power 2 times x, which is 2x. Okay, and this is equal to 48. Now, secondly, we can write 48. Now, expressing 48 in the lowest form, we can write 48 as 2, okay, times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, so this is equal to 48. Okay, and now this becomes equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is something as 2 raised to power 3 times 2 is something as 2 raised to power 4 rather times 3. Okay, so this is what 48 is. Now, it means that we can replace 48 with this. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we have that 2 raised to power 2x becomes equal to 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, let's now take the logarithm of both sides. So we can take the logarithm to base 10 of 2 raised to power 2x, and this is equal to logarithm to base 10 of 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, there's a law that states that log in any base of a raised to power b is equal to log to that same base of a multiplied by b. Okay, so this whole thing multiplied by b. Okay, so this would now mean that we have this power to multiply this log. If this power is multiplying this log, it means that you have 2x times the log of 2. Okay, now this is equal to your 2 raised to power 4 times 3. Now, there's another law of log. Let's write it out here. So we have log 2 raised to power 4 times 3. Now, there's another law of log that states, of logarithm that states, that if we have log of a multiplied by b, it is equal to log of a plus log of b. Now, applying the knowledge of this formula now, we are going to have, dividing both sides by log 2, we have over log 2 here, and then we have all over log 2 here. So log 2 will take log 2. So that what I'm left with on the left hand side is 2x, okay, to be equal to, now we can expand this fraction. So we're going to have 4 log 2 over log 2 plus log 3 over log 2. Okay, log 2 will take log 2, so that I'm left with 2x to be equal to 4 plus log 3 over log 2. Okay, now there's a law of logarithm we can also apply here. So we have that log, the law of change of base is what we call this. So if we have, for example, log of a to base b, it can be written as, maybe let's say we want to convert it to base 10. So you can write this in base 10 as log in base 10 of a over log in base 10 of b. Okay, so applying this here now, we're going to have that 2x becomes equal to 4 plus, we're going to have log in base 2 of 3. Okay, simple. Now, having this, we can now say let's divide each term by 2 to get x. So dividing each term by 2, we have that x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by log in base 2 of 3. Okay, so this is the final answer to that question. Thanks for watching, guys.